Hi my beauties, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to show this warm toned orange makeup look for this Thanksgiving. If you're new here, please make sure you have subscribed to my channel and hit the bell notification. Also follow me on Instagram, you'll get my social links in the description box. So without wasting any time, let's begin. I would like to start with my forehead because I'm gonna do my eyes first today. The primer that I'm using is Moisturizer Plus Primer from Bobbi Brown and I'm applying it to all over my face. The foundation that I'm using is from Bobbi Brown and I'm in shade Warm Natural. I'm using concealer to my lids as a base, which is from Bobbi Brown in shade Warm Honey. For blending it, I'm using a damp beauty sponge. Now using a loose powder from Lakme without giving it time to crease, I'm gonna use my eyebrow pencil, which is in shade dark brown. I'm creating a wing using the brow pencil and then smudging it using a small blending brush. I'm taking the shade Equisite from the palette Makeup Revolution Volume 1 and applying the eyeshadow on top of it to give it more brown and smoky effect. Now I'm using the shade Visionary from the palette and I'm applying it to rest of the lid. Keep adding the color until you get the desired result. The highlighter that I am using is Metallic Master Chrome Highlighter in shade Molten Gold and I am applying it to my brow bone and inner corner. Then I am curling my eyelashes and applying a coat of mascara. The mascara that I am using is Zoom and Whoosh Mascara from Color Bar. I have done my other eye very quickly off the camera. Now I am filling my brows using the same brow pencil from Wet n Wild in shade dark brown and I am only filling the sparse area to make sure my eyebrows look as natural as possible. And then brush it using a spoolie to make sure there is no harsh line left and it looks more natural. Now I'm applying the foundation to the rest of my face using a damp beauty sponge. I'm using the same concealer from Bobbi Brown to my usual areas wherever I have uneven skin tone or I want to highlight. To blend the concealer, I'm using same beauty blender and I'm blending it just by dabbing in. I'm applying the loose powder from Lakme to the areas wherever I have applied the concealer to set the concealer so that it doesn't crease. The contour stick that I'm using is from Stay Quirky in shade dark brown, and I'm applying it to my usual areas like my nose, forehead and cheekbones. For blending it, I am using an angled contour brush. The blush that I am using is from Color Bar in shade Flushed Satin. I am applying some peachy shade on top of it so that it matches with the look. The pressed powder that I am using is from Color Bar in shade Nude Beige. Now I am using the same highlighter and applying it to my high points. To complete the eye look, I am using the same shade Visionary and applying it to my lower lash line as well. Then applying mascara to my lower lash line and highlighter to the inner corners. Now I am using Makeup Fixer from Swiss Beauty. The lip pencil that I'm using is from Color Essence in shade Burgundy, and the lipstick that I'm using is from Stay Quirky. All the products that I have used in this video will be mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check it. To complete the look, I have applied false eyelashes as well. This is an optional step, you can skip it if you want to. This is the final look that I have created so far. Share your thoughts with me in the comment section about this look. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I love you guys so much. I'll see you soon in a brand new video. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.